How to check Huobi trading fees. First of all, open the app on your device. From the dashboard, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. From here, select My Fee Rates option to view the detailed fee structure. Here you will see the different types of fees applied on Huobi, including spot trading fees, margin trading fees, and future trading fees. You can also check if there are any VIP level discounts or maker or taker fees that apply based on your account tier. Understanding your trading fees is essential to plan your trades effectively and minimize cost. Make sure to review the fee structure regularly, especially if you trade frequently or in high volumes. You can also compare Huobi's fees with other exchanges to ensure you are getting the best rates. Now you know how to check Huobi trading fees. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.